Hello guys, welcome to Learn Math with Alex. I sincerely apologize for the poor camera quality. I'm using a phone, so sorry guys. I hope you're able to see. Okay, so today we're doing a quadratic function, which is question 3 in this paper. So this is additional mathematics. Sorry, I didn't check the year. Okay, so the question 3 states the diagram below represents a quadratic the diagram below represents a graph of the form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is the graph of the quadratic function. As you can see, this graph is what is minimum. Yeah, when the parabola opens upward, it means the parabola is minimum, so the value of x is greater than 0. The value of a rather, the value of a is greater than 0 because the value of a determines whether it's maximum or minimum. So when the value of a is less than 0, it is maximum, it will face downward. And when the value of a is minimum, when the value of a is greater than 0, it means it is a minimum. Okay, so here we are told to find question part A. We have two parts. So for this video, oh my goodness, for this video we are going to do part A. We're going to find the value of A, B, and C. Yes, so we're going to find the value of A, B, and C. Okay, so the other information that we have the x-intercept. So the x-intercept for the graph is -3 and -2. So we've been given the roots of the quadratic function. So when so we've been given the roots, which is -3 and -2. So this happens when the value of y is 0, because in the x-intercept or in the y-axis, the value of y is 0. So we are saying y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we know in the x-axis or the x-intercept y is equal to 0. Okay, so remember that at x-intercepts y is equal to 0, so our function becomes a quadratic equation. So 0 is equal to x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, I like writing this way. So this is the same as x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But we know the values of x, so we've been given the roots. So we know the roots. The roots are -3 and -2. -3 and -2. So what that means, when you solve this quadratic equation, when you find the value of a, b, and c, and you solve this equation, you need to get your roots as -3 and -2. Okay, so what this simply means, to find the value of a, b, and c, you just find the equation, the quadratic equation. Yes, you just find the quadratic equation. Since you've been given the roots, these roots can help you to find the quadratic equation. Yes, I hope you guys know how to find the quadratic equation when you're given roots. I know most of the times we've been given the quadratic equation, we give we usually been asked to find the roots of the quadratic equation, but in this situation it's a reverse. You've been given the roots, now you're told to find the quadratic equation. So that's our task for today. So for any quadratic equation, we know that x squared minus sum of roots, I hope you can see that, guys, sum of roots times x, then plus the product of roots is equal to 0. Okay, so we have x squared minus the sum of roots. So the roots are negative 3 plus negative 2x plus the product, which is negative 3 times negative 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have x squared minus, so this will give us negative 5 by x, then plus negative 3 by 2 by negative 2, that is positive 6, is equal to 0. So therefore our quadratic equation is negative 2. So this negative upon negative will get a positive, so this will be positive 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so we know that this quadratic expression must be equal to that standard quadratic expression. So just compare the two. So you say a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to the quadratic expression that we found, which is x squared plus 5x plus c. Okay, so this, you know that this guy, the x squared term must be equal to that x squared term, and this guy must be equal to that guy, and the constant c must be equal to the constant c. Okay, so we are saying ax squared must be equal to x squared. So we know that over x squared over x squared, so these guys will disappear. The value of a is 1. Okay, the value of a is 1. So to get the value of b, you say bx, remember we said bx must be equal to the bx on the other side. So bx is equal to 5x. So over x, so these guys will disappear. Therefore the value of b is 5. And to find our c, just equate the constant c must be equal to 6. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much. This is Alex Peter. Please join my YouTube channel. May you subscribe and send questions and leave a comment below. Thank you so much.